She's made some really interesting creations. And when I saw the peanut butter with all those other ingredients, that one really took the cake. The sandwich took the sandwich.
Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. As you can tell from Shimmy's reaction, this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm taking you back to when we were working out of town, and I conducted a little bit of an experiment using limited ingredients and unexpected combinations. Find out if this was a stroke of culinary genius or an absolute disaster. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and find out how this hit or miss sandwich came together. I'm going to switch up our sandwich for today. I'm going to do something a little bit different.
Are you doing barbecue sauce? Mayo? You're doing mayo? What? Peanut? No. What? Why? That's weird. Is it gonna be like, no, that's just... Why? Maple Dijon with peanut butter in the same sandwich? Peanut butter at all? With tempeh? I don't know about that, yo. That's, hope I like it. That's something.
Ready for it? Yeah, eat it.
Yeah? You sure?
Well, it's food.
I guess that's my only criteria, right?
Let's see how this wild experiment turned out. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think of the peanut butter and maple Dijon and all the other ingredients together?
That's wild. That's really good. No. Floored. Floored.
I love the little spiciness with the Dijon, the sweetness from the maple, nuttiness, the peanut butter flavor, with the freshness of the cilantro and the zucchini. So for me, it is a hit. I'm gonna dub this one the Global Nomad Sandwich because of all the different cultural influences in the mix. We got the tempeh that's from Indonesia, Dijon, which is from France, with a little maple syrup in the mix for that Canadian touch. We got some cilantro, which is popular in Latin America and in Asia as well. And Asian cultures generally mix the sweet and the savory together, and we get a bit of taste of the Mediterranean with the olive oil as well. Feel free to drop me a line in the comments below and let me know what cultural influences you think this sandwich includes. I'm always interested to hear from you. This one is definitely not for those with blander taste buds who like things plain. It's more for the, it's more geared towards those who are accustomed to international cuisine. So there you have it, everyone. Something interesting, something a little different to mix things up and hopefully keep you inspired in your kitchen. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't wanna miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen, including hotel kitchens, and yours. Bon appetit.